This video tutorial is about to add borders dynamically in MS Excel. For example, here I would like to, whenever we enter data, so we would like to add the border dynamically. Let's add a date. So it will add the border dynamically to that the cells, that area. So how to do it? Okay, so let's get started to add border dynamically. So first of all, select the area. So I would like to select this area. So after selecting the area, move to Home tab, Conditional Formatting, come here to the New Rule, then press last option, use the format to determine which cells to format. Then here in formula bar, write equal, then press the first cell of your data. Then press double time, it means 2 times F4, first, second time. It means we will fix the column. After that, write less than and greater than, then write double quotation, double time. Then press the format button to format the border, add the border, okay, all border. So you can change the color also. Press OK and press OK. So now let's add a date. What happened? Look at the border has been added dynamically. So we have that. Okay, so it's how we can add dynamically the border in MS Excel. So if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.